She was enslaved. She walked 1,700 miles. She nursed a newborn. She could not speak in court. And she became Los Angeles's first black woman landowner. Bridget Mason was born in 1818 on a Georgia plantation. She was given as property to Robert Smith, who converted to Mormonism. In 1848, at 30 years old, she walked with the Mormon wagon train from Mississippi to Utah, herding cattle, delivering babies, and caring for her 3 daughters. In 1851, Smith moved the household again to San Bernardino, California, where Mormon colonists were building a new settlement. That is when everything changed. California entered the Union as a free state in 1850, yet laws were contradictory. While the state constitution banned slavery, the Fugitive Slave Act of 1852 allowed slaveholders to retain enslaved people if they had arrived before statehood. Smith claimed Mason was grandfathered in. For 5 years, she was illegally held in bondage in San Bernardino, while free black neighbors watched, powerless to intervene. California law prohibited black testimony against white parties. When Mason learned Smith planned to kidnap her family to Texas in January 1856, she could not simply sue in court. The Free Black Owens family organized a legal ambush. They secured a writ of habeas corpus for Mason's children, forcing Sheriff Frank DeWitt to intercept Smith's wagon train at Cajun Pass. Judge Benjamin Hayes interviewed Mason in chambers, a procedural workaround, not a legal right. Her freedom papers, signed April 14, 1856, show a victory won through community defense, not equal justice. Freed at 38, illiterate, and compensated nothing, Mason's only asset was midwifery knowledge passed through generations of enslaved women. Los Angeles County records document her charging $2.50 per delivery, half the white midwife rate. She saved for 10 years and in 1866 purchased 1 acre at 331 to 333 South Spring Street for $250, becoming Los Angeles' first black woman landowner. No bank would loan to her. She bought 8 properties total using cash from 2,400 documented deliveries, renting to Mexican and Chinese laborers excluded from white neighborhoods, and reinvesting every dime while white speculators used bank leverage denied to her. Mason's wealth was not for show, it built survival infrastructure. In 1872, she opened her Spring Street home for the First African Methodist Episcopal Church, now Los Angeles' oldest black congregation with 19,000 members. She founded Los Angeles' first black school when public education segregated black children. Her Travelers Aid Society relocated 26 formerly enslaved people from the South, paying their fares and first month's rent.